The family of missing 14-year-old Huidrom Vidyananda has appealed to the public and authorities for help in tracing the teenager. He reportedly left home for his routine boxing training at Sai Utlo yesterday and did not return home. The family, originally from Upokpi, Awang Laikai, currently resides at Ishok, Awang Laikai, Mamang Chingya. Addressing a press conference at their residence, Vidyananda's father, Sadananda, stated that his son left home around 5 a.m. wearing black trousers, a black shirt and a pair of red sandals. When the boy failed to return by late evening, family members and local residents searched for him and questioned for his friends but could not trace him. Sadananda has urgently sought the assistance of the authorities and the general public to locate his missing son.
Class 8 kaab la ngai mi cha ma mari karimta yam pangjaba hadi ik machi ma haraga machi ma tawgani haiba khangdaba ngangni amukta mayam nungsi biduna icha ni amukta di pigaw sana ma mai ngonda amukta di sina biyo mayam na amukta di mateng ba biyo ma mai na ajai icha ki gob se yenga nga chi di icha ki sana ba chatto pangade kima ka jamba tani tahin da ba ba icha ya la pangai bani अलग से नची जब टाइमिंग नहीं जाती है मानो कि मैं के राम समझा बने पुम्मरी मकाई जा नची जब पोंगे इजा भी लेते रे हम लोग तो नहीं जाग लिखो ना तभी मैं हमने एक ही मत हम तो नहीं पांग भी हो बाबा कोई हम लोग नहीं सारी कुछ तो सिना भी हो मैं नहीं ना पुलिस इमाई बेनी संसाई पुंगे पासिंग हम लोग तो नहीं